Hunter's Landing Bar and Grill needed a patio railing that would improve safety while keeping the outdoor dining area open, bright, and inviting. Art Metal Workshop designed, fabricated, and installed this custom commercial glass railing system specifically for the restaurant's downtown patio. The clear glass panels maintain an unobstructed view of the surrounding streetscape, helping the patio feel connected to the city instead of closed off. A black, powder-coated steel frame provides strong structural support while giving the railing a clean, modern finish that complements the building and restaurant exterior. Each section was custom-built to follow the patio perimeter, including the corners, entrances, and changes in elevation. The durable, powder-coated finish is designed for outdoor conditions and requires minimal maintenance throughout the season. For restaurants, bars, cafes, and other commercial patios, glass railings provide an ideal combination of safety, visibility, durability, and professional appearance. Custom built for Hunter's Landing Bar and Grill by Art Metal Workshop.